Hey everyone, welcome back to Fed Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Monday, June 14th of 2021, and today we're going to look at the Gaussian channel for mini coins. We're going to look at how it could help us in the future, years from now, today, both of them, on how it could help you and your portfolio do very well in the future. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just a moment, how it could present the buying opportunities of your lifetime. And we'll go in depth to that. We're going to look at Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, Cardano. We're going to look at a bunch and show you the Gaussian channel on each of those and how it works on many coins, not just Bitcoin. There's a lot of things and indicators that only work for Bitcoin. This isn't one of them. It helps on altcoins, and we're going to go in depth for that today. So hopefully you learned something. Let's go ahead and look at where we're at right now. Bitcoin, we dipped our toe in the Gaussian channel last week, but so far, look at our candle now. We're coming out of it. Have we ever done that before? I'm glad you asked. Let's go back and look and see when, look at this area right here, right? This is kind of the area I'm pretty focused on. It kind of looks similar to this, right? Not repeat, but rhyming with this kind of move, right? You move sideways, you kind of hang around with it, dip into it, and then kind of a fake rally or relief rally up, right? So that's where we're at now. Now, how could this help us in the future for buying opportunities? Well, anytime you're below the Gaussian channel, it's usually a great time. If you were to only buy coins when prices are under the Gaussian channel, you'd be doing very well across the board, okay? Case in point, look at Bitcoin. It was under the channel back in November of 2018 to April of 2019. Prices range from roughly $6,000 to all the way down to $3,000. Now, would that have mattered if you went all in anywhere in this time frame? No. Look how well you would be doing. Quite well, right? Minimum 10x, minimum. Now look again. We came back in it during the pandemic drop. Roughly 6,500 to all the way down to, again, roughly 4,000. Would it matter if you went all in anytime in this point? No. You'd be doing very well again. Let's go ahead and look at, just go down the list here. Hopefully you can see some of these. Look at Chainlink. Never been really below it, except briefly back in 2018. We went all the way down to 20 cents. That's the only time Chainlink's ever really been below it. 20-cent Chainlink. Pretty amazing. We haven't looked back since. We got close here, right? But towards the bottom of the channel. $1.50 during the pandemic drop. Look where we are now, right? We're still above the channel, really. I'm not saying we're going to go down there this time, but if we do, that would be the time to sell Aunt Sally and her car and, find some neighbors to mow some yards and just go all in. This is what I'm saying. Not financial advice, but sell it all if we ever get under this channel again for Chainlink. Do I think that'll happen? Probably, right? Maybe not this run, maybe not this year, but maybe towards the next full bear market. I know we're theoretically close now. I'm talking like after the next, after we've been to 100K Bitcoin, 200K Bitcoin, and years from now, that would present, you could use this for years from now, right? Because we haven't been there for years, right? So let's go down the line. Look at Link Bitcoin right now. Look at what it's done in history. Now, we don't have a whole lot to go off of Link Bitcoin because it's only a few years old, right? But look at where it's been. Look at where we are now. We're in the red channel. If we come back down, there again. Look at, if you were to buy anywhere in this area, you're going to be happy in years from now. I'm fairly confident in that. Let's go to Link Ethereum, see where we're at there. Are you catching on to what I'm showing you here? Look how far below the channel we are for Link Ethereum. So if you have a bunch of Ethereum, here is your buying opportunity with your Ethereum right here. In a year, 2 years from now, we don't have a crystal ball, so we don't know when, but we're pretty confident that it will get back above it, right? You can go look at any coin. Let's look at Ethereum. Wouldn't you like to have had Ethereum? Look at this again. You can go. We're going to go down several coins here. Okay, $300 Ethereum sounds good to me. I would like to have gone all in at a $300 Ethereum. How about all the way down to $80? But the point is, anytime you're under the channel, it doesn't matter. Just you're buying. If you were to only buy under the channel, you're doing fantastic on any coin. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Look how long you had to accumulate here. Anytime. Oh, you would have bought way up here. So what? Look at what Ethereum goes on. Massive tears against Bitcoin every now and then, right? So this isn't, as helpful if you're trying to swing trade. I'm not into swing trading. There's plenty of channels that do that. Day trading. This is not about that. This is about long-term, years. If you're buying under the Gaussian channel on the 5-day, you have to keep it on the 5-day. If you're buying under the channel with any coin under the channel, you're going to be happy in the next, months to years, right? Big picture wins in crypto. It's less stress. It's less focus. You don't have to look at the charts every 4 seconds or 5,000 times a day like you probably do. You're much less risk if you're having big picture, right? If you only buy underneath these channels, you're patient, and you can wait for 6 months to 2 years, 3 years. You're gonna do very well. You have nothing to worry about because the general markets go up anywhere, right? So let's look at Cardano again. I mean, it's time and time again. Look at these prices for Cardano. Massive 8 cents you would have bought back in here. 8 cents to 2 cents. Look how long you had to buy Cardano under here. Let's see how long that is. I mean, that's over almost 600 days. You really had nice buying opportunities for Cardano. Look at that. And then imagine your returns now if you bought under this channel. Okay. Now, it does help if you have a older coin, because this is Polkadot, right? Not much help there. So let's keep going down and see what else we got. We can go to MATIC and try that. We got brief few wicks. I mean, it works for every coin. Go pull up your favorite coins. See if it's been under the channel. See if this would have worked out for you. More likely than not, anytime. I mean, you only had, roughly probably minutes on MATIC, but there you go. Using no indicators and nothing on the chart except for the price and the Gaussian channel. And look how well you would do. Again, like a lot of younger coins, if you could see where my list here is, let's look at Doge. Let's have some fun. Yeah. Look how much money you could have made out of Doge when it was at a tenth of a penny. Any coin. Pull up the Gaussian channel, 5-day. If you have any questions on this, let me know. But you can just go right down the list and see. Look at ANKR. ANKR. Perfect buying opportunities out of ANKR. Where did you buy? Did you buy above the Gaussian channel, in the Gaussian channel? Any coin, as long as it has history, it works. Just trying to keep you one step ahead of the rest of the people. That's why you're here. Unless you just like my awesome haircut and my awesome chain link sign, I get it. That's a pretty cool sign. Maybe not so much, but maybe you just like the car of the day. You watch all this bullshit just to get to the car of the day. And we got a good one today. We had a contest a few days ago last week. Whoever guessed it got a chain link. The winner has already been sent their link, and they're very happy. They're rolling in chain link happiness. It'd be better if the link was like $1,000, right? Someday. But it's car of the day. This is what we built, me and my son, for a couple days last week. The McLaren Senna GTR. The doors go up and down. That's pretty cool. The steering wheel actually works. Or it has like this little knob on top. You can remove it, right? But to turn the wheels, that's pretty cool. Look at the wing. You can put the stickers under. There's a GTR under there. You got the diffuser. Lego does a pretty good job at that stuff. You guys know I'm into cars, right? So like Legos and cars, pretty sweet. We got the roof scoop, adjustable like roof air scoop on here. That's pretty cool. The wings are moving. The You know, the front goes up and down a little bit, and real fun to build. We're getting into them, so maybe we'll do another one sometime soon. But the whole engine thing works. You can see the engine go. Let's see if I can zoom in here for the 4 of you watching. See how like the the pistons go up and down? Amazing stuff that Lego's got going on. But all right, I'll leave you with that. Hopefully you learned something today. If you did, remember to hit the thumbs up button. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Happy Monday. Hope you liked it. Hope you are doing well. We're coming out of it. Hopefully we're coming out of it. This could just be a relief rally. High alert until we're above our 200-day moving average for Bitcoin. Step 1. Step 2, if you're still watching, this is a little bit of a bonus. Catch on. Step 2, above our 21-week EMA for Bitcoin. That's around 43,000. If we close a weekly candle above that, then we can start to turn the ship around. Above that, we have our 20-week SMA. It's pretty high up. It's above 46. It's either 46 or 49. 20-week SMA. If we close a weekly candle above that, then we can get the ship going back the other way towards the moon again. Altcoins would start moving again. As long as Bitcoin's above all those moving averages, we can get quite bullish. But until then, high alert. This could just be a relief rally before we go back down. We'll do more updates. Ask me any questions you got. I appreciate you guys. 5-Day Crypto, Chaso, Linko, Dunno.